The library is a grand place to water your brain. Okay, let's look at this. Ready? The. Just put your thumb, A hand, and your thumb goes forward. The. Library. It's an L hand, and you're going to make a little circle on the same side. The circle goes up and towards the side of the same side, down and around. Library. It's just one circle. Library. Is the I, and then the S goes forward. Is a grand. It's a flat hand. Palm is towards the opposite side. Fingers are out and they just flip up. Grand. That's your face level right here. Grand. Place. P hands, and you're going to take your middle fingers and touch them together out in front of you. Then you're going to bring them out to their same sides, in towards your body, and you're going to touch them again. So, place. Two, swing that finger out. Two, water. It's a W hand. You're going to tap your first finger against your lips twice. Water. Your brain. It's a B hand. You just go from the front of your head to the back for your brain. Brain. Okay, try with me. Ready? The library is a grand place to water your brain. Or, the library is a grand place to water your brain.